Welcome to this quick tutorial on VARGAL. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use VARGAL to create beautiful image and video galleries for your product variations. Let's start by installing the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search VARGAL and activate it from this dashboard. Once it's active, you'll find the settings under the VARGAL tab in your dashboard. To add a variation gallery, go to your product edit page in the backend. In the product data section, choose a variation. You'll see the variation gallery settings. Here you can upload or remove images and videos. Once your gallery is set, you can drag and drop the items to rearrange their order. You can also choose a loading icon style and adjust its color right here. That's it. Let's see how it looks on the front end. Next, let's enable Image Zoom on hover. Go to Gallery Template General and turn on Image Zoom. Now check out the front end. Hovering over an image gives your customers a closer look. Enable Autoplay if you want the gallery to automatically cycle through images. You can also set the delay in seconds between image switches. Once enabled, the gallery moves on its own. No clicking needed. Choose how your images switch by selecting a transition style, slide, fade, or zoom. Try each one and see which fits your store best. If you need arrows to help users browse through the gallery, choose where the navigation buttons should appear from Navigation Options. These help users manually switch between images. Enable Product Image to show the main product image together with the variation gallery. On the front end, the product image will appear at the bottom of the gallery list. Other than product image, you can do the same with product gallery. To include the default WooCommerce product gallery, simply enable the default gallery option, and those images will be shown below the variation gallery. Lightbox mode lets customers open images in a pop-up view. It's perfect for a closer look without leaving the page. Just enable it under Gallery Template, Lightbox Settings. You can also decide whether to show a lightbox icon. To help customers navigate quickly, turn on thumbnails for variation gallery items. Then, choose their position, top, bottom, left, or right of the main image. You can make interaction faster by allowing image change upon hovering instead of clicking the thumbnails. Enable this Swap Images on Hover option. Now when a customer hovers over a thumbnail, the main image switches instantly, no click needed. If you've got a lot of gallery items, try the Display as Slide option. This turns your thumbnails into a scrollable slider. You can also adjust the space between thumbnails and the gap between thumbnails and the main image. The gap settings still work even if the slider is off.